Good morning, students. Here, our lesson number 4 is going on angles and pair of angles. In this lesson, we have seen the interior and exterior of angle. The points which are interior of angles, that points are called interior of angle, and the points are exterior, means outside of angle, these are called the exterior of angle. After that, we have seen the adjacent angle. In adjacent angle, there is one common arm, but their areas are different. The adjacent angles have the separate interiors. Next, we have seen the complementary angles. If a sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as the complementary angles. Then supplementary angles, if sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as the supplementary angles. After that, we have seen the opposite angles. Two rays which have a common origin from a straight line are said to be opposite rays. Then angle in linear pair. Angle which have a common arm whose other arm from the straight line are said to be angle in linear pair. Angles in linear pair are the supplementary angles. Then we have seen the vertically opposite angles. The angle formed by opposite ray of the arm of an angle is said to be its opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are the equal in measures. Now today we are going to see the interior angle of polygon. Suppose here this is a triangle ABC. In this triangle there are three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and these are the interior angles. So now measurement of angle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C. These are the interior angle of triangle ABC. Now we can write these angle names in 3 digits, that is measurement of angle BAC means angle A, plus measurement of angle B means angle ABC, plus angle C means angle ACB. Here sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. This is the property of triangle. Sum of measurement of interior angle of triangle means sum of these three angles is 180 degree. This is about the triangle. Now let's see about the quadrilateral, then pentagon, then hexagon, heptagon and octagon. See here, I will show you one screen here. See in this first figure, the first column is number of sides, then name of polygon, this is the figure, the number of triangles, how many triangles they form, and sum of interior angles. So let's see in the first, in the triangle there are three sides, okay, and how many triangles is there? Only one. So 180 multiplied by 1, so total sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. Now the second figure is a quadrilateral. See in this quadrilateral means they have the four sides. Okay, in quadrilateral there are four sides and four angles, and if you draw this diagonal, so they are made here two triangles. Number of triangles are 2. So 180 multiplied by 2, that is 360 degree. So sum of measurement of all angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now pentagon. Pentagon means what? There are 5 interior angles and 5 sides. And if you draw these diagonals, so here they made here 3 triangles. 3 triangles. So sum of measurement of angle of triangle is 180 degree. And here made 3 triangles. It means 180 multiplied by 3, that is 540 is a sum of measurement of angle of pentagon is 540. The next is hexagon. Hexagon means what? In hexagon there are 6 sides and 6 interior angles. So here, how many triangles here form in hexagons? Look at here. Look at the figure. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 triangles are made here. So, how many sum of interior angles here? 180 multiplied by number of triangles 4, that is 720. So, sum of angle of hexagon is 720 degree. Now next figure is heptagon. In heptagon, in this closed figure, there are 7 sides and 7 angles. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 angles are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 sides are there. So in this figure there are 7 sides and 7 angles. So this figure is called the heptagon. In heptagon there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 triangles are here in the heptagon. It means sum of interior of angles are 180 multiplied by 5, that is 900 degree. So sum of interior angle of heptagon is 900 degree. The next figure is octagon. Octagon means what? Octagon means a closed figure having 8 sides and 8 angles, means like this. See, this is an octagon, 8 sides and 8 angles. So how many triangles are made here? Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In octagon there are 6 triangles made in the octagon. So number of triangles are 6. So sum of interior angles are 180 multiplied by 6, that is 1080 degree. Sum of angle of octagon is 1080 degree. Like this, the figure of with n sides. Okay, figure of with n sides means, see here is heptagon, then there are 5 triangles. Octagon, there are 6 triangles. It means the number of sides minus 2. These are the number of triangles. So if number of sides are n, then number of triangles are n minus 2. It means number of sum of interior of angles is 180 multiplied by n minus 2. It means if here is a one figure of 10 side, then the sum of interior of angle is 180 multiplied by 10 minus 2, that is 180 multiplied by 8, that is 1440 degree angle. Okay, you solve this chart at home.